Hey YouTube, this is Vince from Swift Airsoft, and today I'm going to do the unboxing of a gun that I ordered off of evike.com for $120. So here I go. I got free shipping on this because it was over $100. So I just used the coupon code FREESHIP and got free shipping on this. Let me try to go down this way. Free ground shipping. Alright, making sure I didn't cut the box. This is right here. Warranty information from e-bike and a packaging slip. So I'll just put those over there. Wait, hold on a second. Let me see if this is what I ordered. It doesn't say, so that's kind of stupid. Sorry guys if this is taking a while. Alright guys, this is the UK Arms AK-47 tactical, I think. I could have sworn it said JG on the website, but I guess not. So it's still very good gun. It says length 870 millimeters. It has yeah. This, I'm pretty sure this is the right one. Let's just rip this part, and hold on a second, there's some tape right here. Alright, got that. I believe there's some tape on, yes, there's tape right here. Alright, and tape on this side, so gotta cut that. Alright. Here is the box of the gun, adjustable hop-up. Alright. Ooh, this gun looks really nice. Ooh, that's really nice. Here's the manual. I got the I guess I got the CM.028A. So, but yes, this looks really nice. Now let's just cut through this cut through this plastic. Now we can just rip it. Sorry if you guys heard that, that was just a car alarm. Alright guys, here it is. Alright, throw all that stuff down there, and look at this. Very nice. Here is a 600, yeah, I believe 600 round metal magazine. Oh, that's really cool. On the website it said plastic magazine, but this is a metal magazine. So, good for this gun. Probably feeds very well. I'll probably just put this to the top so you guys can see it. an OD green sling with probably pretty cheap sling, like grabber things, whatever, whatever you want to call them. Yeah, you probably shouldn't use that. Dang, this battery is really heavy. A 8.4 volt, 1200 milliamp, small type battery. I mean mini type battery. That's weird. On the website it said it was a large type battery, but good enough as long as it keeps its charge. And a trickle charger for it, which you should probably go and throw it away and get a smart charger. And some BBs, which look very good. They're golden ball BBs. Yeah, you can use these in the gun. And a front sight adjustment tool for your front sight, of course, and the gun itself. Whew, this gun's pretty heavy. This is a really nice gun. Oh, and it comes with a cleaning rod in case your gun gets jammed, in case you use the wrong type of BBs or something, and some silica gel. Do not eat this or you'll probably die or get really sick, so don't eat that. Very nice gun. Ooh, it feels really good on the shoulder. And yeah, I think this is all metal. This is really nice, guys. Back sling mount, and then to put the battery in, you just, I'm pretty sure, yeah, hold on a second. You put that down, bring it out, put the battery in there, battery right there, battery connector, put that in there, and to put it back in, you put it down at the bottom and like that, and then push it back up. Yes, this gun looks really nice, and I would definitely recommend buying this. So, yeah, go out to ebike.com and get this UK Arms AK-47 Tactical right now. See you later.